What up, guys? Homeless Investor here, and today is Stock Pick Tuesday. Kind of like Taco Tuesday minus the tacos plus the stocks. Profits on the side, please. Okay. So yeah, I gotta write these down usually because they're a lot to memorize as far as the stock information that I'm trying to get through to you guys. As a disclaimer, I do own shares in this company, so I'm invested in them. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I do and how it works, and give you some information about the companies and whatnot. So the company is Aphria Inc. The ticker is APHQF, and they are currently trading at $4.08. The 52-week high is $6.60, and the low is 98 cents. They have a market cap of 570 million, and there are currently a little over 138 million shares outstanding. A little bio about the company. Aphria Inc. is a cannabis producer based in Leamington, Ontario. Aphria is one of a handful of greenhouse-only companies. Aphria is Canada's second largest biotech company by market cap, and the company is the first public licensed producer to report positive cash flow from operations and the first to report positive earnings in consecutive quarters. So not really as much exciting stuff going on with this cannabis company. Obviously, the most intriguing part is that they are the first to have positive cash flow and the first to report positive earnings in consecutive quarters. Not so bad. I like the cannabis stocks, especially because they're all speculative really. And if you're into Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you invest in that, or if you invest into shitcoins, altcoins. Basically, I would look at Bitcoin and Ethereum, are like your Microsoft, Apple, Coca-Cola, your big strong stock picks. Whereas the altcoins, shitcoins are basically would be like doing your speculative penny stocks on the stock market. So that's just a good way of looking at it. If you believe in those penny stock, the shitcoins, because for whatever reason. That's kind of how I look at these penny stocks. They have potential. Doesn't mean that they will reach that potential, but I'm willing to take a risk. So anyways, Bitcoin is back up a couple $100 from where it was yesterday. So I'm glad I bought more. Always buy on the dips. If you didn't buy yesterday, once again, why? I was thinking too, so I took my profits from Ethereum, and I bought silver because silver is just at a ridiculously low price right now. I think I just checked and it was like $16.75. I know a lot of people might not believe in silver or think it's worth buying because it doesn't make them interest or pay dividends or all that bullshit, but it's not supposed to. It's supposed to protect the wealth that you've already created. That's what it's there for. It's an insurance policy. And I know people don't really like that either, but the government keeps inflating dollars. The dollar is going to lose value. That's why candy bars go up in prices. I remember when I was a kid, you get a candy bar for like 75 cents. Now it's like $1.30. So within like a 12-year time span, just saying. So let's see, besides that, I mentioned in my last video that if you use my Genesis code and leave your code in the comment section below the video on YouTube, that I will use your code. But I think this time what I'm going to say is the first 5 people to like this video and use my code when they upgrade and leave their code in the comments, I will use. When I do my next upgrade, I will use all 5 codes and just split my upgrade into those, into 5 different upgrades to use everybody's code. So yeah. And then another thing I think I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start vlogging on. I'm going to start out with $100, I think, or maybe even a little bit more, and just buy and sell Bitcoin, and start with $100 and just work my way up and see how much money I can make. Strictly buying and selling, only starting with $100. So, and I'm going to record my progress for you guys and show you, how easy it is and how you could do it too. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Talk to you tomorrow. Later.